Any doubt in yesterday's questions? You can raise your hand if you have any doubt. Okay, no one. So let us do another example. Write down the statement. Statement of the question is OP, OQ, OR, and OS are four rays. OP, OQ, OR, and OS are four rays. Prove that angle POQ plus angle QOR plus SOR plus POS is equal to 360 degrees, right? So first we will draw the figure, right, side by side. O, P, Q, S, and R, right? So here it is given that these are the four rays, only this is given in the question. Given P, OQ, OR, OS are four rays. Now to prove, what we have to prove here, POQ plus QOR plus SOR plus POS is equal to 360 degree. Now proof. Here we will do one thing. We have to construct, or we can say we have to extend a ray OQ in another direction. Extend this ray. Suppose this point is point T. So what will we write? Produce QO, or produce ray OQ, produce ray OQ backwards to point, backward to point T. Right. Now the next thing is we have to prove that the sum of all these four angles is equal to, जब हमने ये extension नहीं की थी, in that case we have to prove that the sum of these all four angles is equal to 360, means we have to prove complete angle is equal to 360 degree. Produce.
शिवानी मैम 1 मिनट के लिए
Wait ma'am. Okay, so here we will produce ray OQ backward to point T. So now the sum of these two angles is equal to 180 degree. Now this has become a straight line. Therefore, now ray OP stands on this line POQ. This is a ray. So the sum of these two adjacent angles is equal to 180 degree linear pair. Therefore, angle TOP plus angle PQOP is equal to 180 degree linear pair. Let it be number 1. Similarly, these three angles, sum of these three angles is equal to 180 degree sum of angles on the straight line. So there also POS plus SOR plus ROQ is equal to 180 degree. Number 2, reason angles on straight line. Angles on straight line. Now what will be the next step? We will add both the equations, equation number 1 and equation number 2. Add 1 and 2. But you get angle TOP plus QOP plus TOS plus SOR plus ROQ is equal to 360 degree. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ऐड हो जाएगी, राइट हैंड साइड पे ऐड हो जाएगी. राइट, नाउ द नेक्स्ट स्टेप हमें चाहिए था POQ. We get next is QOR. Next is SOR. Last is POS. हमें चाहिए अब POS. Now see, TOP this angle plus TOS. जो एंगल ये दोनों बच गए हमारे पास, इन दोनों एंगल्स को जब हम ऐड करेंगे TOP and TOS, we get this total angle POS. तो नेक्स्ट स्टेप में इन दोनों को पहले इकट्ठा करके लिखेंगे TOP plus TOS. रेस्ट ऑफ द एंगल एज इट इज उसको हमें लिख लो जो क्वेश्चन में दी हुई है, POQ प्लस नेक्स्ट इज QOR. अरेंज कर लिया हमने इसको. नेक्स्ट इज SOR. This is equal to 360 degree. Now when you add these two angles, what you get? It is POS. POQ plus QOR plus SOR is equal to 360 degree. इसको rewrite कर लो as it is given in the question, or POQ plus QOR plus SOR plus POS is equal to 360 degree. Now any doubt in any step of this question? You can ask. अंशिका आपने हैंड रेज किया था पहले, हैंड रेज करो so that ma'am can unmute you. Yes.
Yes ma'am. Good morning ma'am. मुझे बताना था आपको कि you have not sent the holidays homework assignment in
कोई
the
बात
class.
नहीं अंशिका, मैं भेज दूंगी. नहीं तो आपको जिस दिन एक दिन से पहले दूसरे सेक्शंस के साथ ही भेजना है. जब दूसरे सेक्शन में भेजी जाएंगी मैं आपको भेज दूंगी. बिफोर योर हॉलीडेज हो जाएगा वो. ठीक है. और ऑन द लास्ट डे ऑफ योर हॉलीडे. इट मींस इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट इन एनी क्वेश्चन यू कैन आस्क लेटर ऑन. Next question. Next is lines. Sorry. The question is if PQ is parallel to RS and MXQ is equal to 135 degree and MYR is equal to 40 degree, find XMY. Figure is given in the question. PQ and RS. PQ is parallel to RS and this is given X. This angle is 135 degree. This angle is 40 degree. We have to find angle M, X and Y. X, this point is M and this point is Y. Means we have to find this angle. If you remember, जब हमने 7th class में ये chapter start किया था, we have did this question. Who will tell me? How can we start this question? Raise your hand. Anshika, so many there. Kashish, Vansh, Manav, Ravnoor, Haridya, Shrey, Saleloke. Ravnoor. Ravnoor. Okay, Namesh. मैम किसी को भी अनम्यूट कर दो इनमें से, रवनूर और नमेश.
Good morning,
Yes.
ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, first, ma'am, we will draw a parallel line passing through M.
Yes, here first we will draw a line which is parallel to PQ and RS and passing through point M. So write down, draw a line solution. First, we will have to draw a line. Let the line be AB. Draw a line AB parallel to PQ. If it is parallel to PQ, then it is also which is parallel to RS. Means all these three lines are parallel to each other and passing through point M. And passing through point M. Right? So here, okay, now how can we find angle X and Y? Priyanka, Mansi, Prabmehar, Parneet, Manav. Ma'am, please unmute Manav. Okay, ma'am, unmute any one student जिन्होंने हाथ खड़े किए हैं. I think Manav is not able to unmute himself.
Maybe yes.
Who is there? Okay, Manav.
मैम बाय को इंटीरियर मैम पहले हम एंगल 1 ले लेंगे.
ठीक है, को इंटीरियर के साथ ये वाला एंगल कह रहे हो आप? This one?
मैम यस.
ठीक है, आ जाएगा.
मैम और दूसरे वाला एंगल 2 ले लेंगे.
दूसरे वाला कैसे ढूंढ लेंगे? 1 के साथ 135 प्लस एंगल 1 इक्वल टू 180 एंगल 1 आ गया. हाउ कैन वी फाइंड एंगल 2?
मैम अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल.
यस, अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल. अगर ये 40 है तो ये अल्टरनेट एंगल 2 भी 40 डिग्री हो जाएगा. देन वी ऐड बोथ द एंगल्स टू फाइंड टोटल एंगल एक्स एम वाई. सो स्टार्ट राइटिंग. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू विल राइट PQ is parallel to AB. Therefore 135 degree plus angle 1 is equal to 180 degree co-interior angles. So angle 1 is 180 degree minus 130, which is equal to 45 degree. Next is, so ये आ गया आपके पास 45 degree. Angle also AB is parallel to RS. Therefore angle 2 is equal to 40 degree alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. Now add both the angles. Therefore, angle XMY is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. Value of angle 1 is 45. 45 degree plus 40 degree, so it is 85 degree. Note down this question. Now with this, all the examples and all the exercise questions are done. And theorems also. All of you put your hands down. Now, if any doubt from your side in this chapter, in any example, in any question, in any exercise question, you can ask, or I will give you the question. Now, next question, write down. AB is parallel to EF. If AB is parallel to EF and EF is parallel to CD and EF is parallel to CD, find the value of X. Find the value of X. So draw the figure. x and y both. Find the value of x and y. AB. This angle is 75 degree. This angle is x. This angle is y. This angle is E. This angle is F. This is 145 degree. C. The point is D. So hurry up, take 1 minute and solve this question. First you will solve, then we will discuss. Okay, done. So let us discuss. Here it is given that EF is parallel to CD. EF is parallel to CD. Agar EF or CD parallel and by co-interior angle, we can find the value of Y. So Y plus 145 degree is equal to 180 degree co-interior angles. So Y is equal to 180 degree minus 145 degree, which is equal to 35 degree. So Y is 35 degree. Now, this angle 75 and this total angle x plus y, these two angles are co-interior angle as AB is parallel to, here AB is parallel to EF, EF is parallel to CD, so AB is parallel to CD. So first you will write, now AB is parallel to EF and EF is parallel to CD. This implies AB and CD are parallel to each other. Right? Now AB and CD are parallel. So these are alternate interior angles. Therefore 75 degree is equal to x plus y. Alternate interior angles. You can write first the names of angle. Therefore angle ABC is equal to BCD. Alternate interior angles. So write down here angle ABC is equal to BCD. We know the value of y, which is 35 degree. So x की value कितनी आ जाएगी? 40. So y is 35 and x is 40. Any doubt in this question? जिन्होंने हाथ Can anybody tell me the definition of triangle? Yes, Haridya.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, triangle is a three-sided closed polygon, in which all the angles are equal.
No, all angles are equal. वो तो सिर्फ एक particular case हो गया ना equilateral triangle का. So simple, we will say a triangle is a three-sided polygon. Right? Polygon word use कर लिया. It means उसमें closed figure भी आ गया. The figure is made up of line segments. वो भी include हो गया. So either you will write a triangle is a three-sided closed figure which is made up of line segments, or simply it is a triangle is a three-sided polygon. Triangle is a three-sided polygon. Polygon में everything is covered. Polygon, just a recapitulation. Polygon is a closed figure. Closed figure made up of line segments. So write down. Next is congruency of triangles. जो आपने इसमें main पढ़ना है. Before that, in triangle we have three sides and three angles and three vertices. These are also called the elements of the triangle. Three sides. Suppose we have a triangle ABC, 3 sides. या छोटी क्लासेस में पढ़ता है हो, just a quick recall. AB, BC, CA. These are the 3 sides, 3 angles. Angle A, angle B, angle C. 3 vertices. Vertices means these corners. Vertex A, vertex B, and vertex C. Write down this. Then after this give heading congruency of triangles. जो main है इस chapter में आपने पढ़ना. Congruency 7th में पढ़ा था आपने? Yes. 7th में congruency हमने पढ़ी थी. Same वही है, कुछ भी change नहीं है इसमें. Heading congruency of triangle. Okay, now anybody tell me about the congruency. When we said the two figures are congruent figures, raise your hand. Yes, Parneet. So write down, two figures are said to be congruent if their size and shapes are same. So write down, two figures are said to be congruent are said to be congruent if they have same size and shape. Means when we place one figure over the another figure, then they exactly overlap each other. For example, two circles of same radii. You can write. For example, two circles of same radii.
तेरियां भी सिक्कियां कड़ियां मैं ऊपर जब झाड़ू
Asna ma'am.
उत्थे दिसी
For example, two circles of same radii. You can write down any example. Next is heading criteria for congruency of triangles. Criteria for congruency of triangles. ये अब आप मुझे बताओगे जो आपने 7th में पढ़ा है, चेक करते हैं कि आपको याद है कि नहीं. Criteria for the congruency of triangles. मीन्स वो कौन सी कंडीशंस हैं, वो कौन से रूल्स हैं जिससे हम कह सकते हैं कि ये दोनों ट्राइंगल्स कॉन्ग्रेंट हैं. सो फर्स्ट वन, एनी वंश. यस वंश. साइड इसमें क्या है?
मैम हर साइड को सेम होना चाहिए, एग्जैक्टली सेम.
ठीक है, मीन्स हियर one side, each side of one triangle is same as the each side of the another triangle, right? So write down, first is triple S congruency.